Can you see yourself in the 2023 BMW X5? With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The BMW X5, the inspired sports activity vehicle that set the standard for luxury, utility, safety, and performance. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, head-up display, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, wireless charging station, keyless entry, moonroof, navigation system, premium sound system, heated mirrors, satellite radio. Spacious and refined on the inside. Don't mess with me on the outside. Be bold. Drive the X5.